Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And on tonight's video, we're going to do a little reverse light installation on the old Power Stroke. As you see here, I got these Lumenex reverse lights. See if I can open this bad boy up here in a second. It says error-free design, 50,000 hours of lifetime, plug and play, 100% OEM compatible, 70% power saving, 3 times brighter. Let's see. It says this is the 3156 white. So this is what they look like sit inside the box. It's got little instructions here. Turn the flash on here. It's got some instructions of how to install them, obviously, which it's just plug and play like another reverse light would be. Let's see, look at these things. It's supposed to be some really bright stuff. Plug and play. We're going to take the taillights out of the truck, plug these in, and see what happens. Alright, so here we are. I just turned them on, turned the regular light, the reverse lights on before. This is, they're yellow. You can't really see it. The video's not really picking it up. But you got the white up there, and then these are kind of yellow down here. You see they're not very bright. I mean, they do the trick, but with the dark tint I have on the pickup, I decided it was about time to upgrade. Let's get them thrown in. I'm sure everyone knows how to replace tail lights on a Power Stroke, but just in case if you don't, there is 2 8mm bolts here. One on the top, one on the bottom, and then there's a couple of push tabs that are on it right there. There's one on the back right here, and then it holds in by those 2 bolts on each side. Sometimes it's a little pain to get them out, just because if they've been in there, because as you see on the truck, they clip in to those little holes there. There's one on the top, one on the bottom, and then you see the 2 holes for the lights down top and bottom. But here we go, let's go. Alright, now that we got them installed, ooh, focus. That does not look good. Ooh. Turn the truck back on. Yeah, definitely brighter. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Look at that area. You can see that they're a lot brighter now. Overall, they look pretty dang good. I'm gonna have to give it a double thumbs up. I'll walk behind here, see if I can get a good look behind. Freaking, they're so dang bright. That's blurring the camera out. But yeah, that's what she looks like from behind now, especially in reverse. That's gonna do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. You know, hustle harder.